Hello?
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
This is
hello.
Satish.
Yeah, Satish. Hi.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't respond to the class yesterday. I was in a meeting.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
All of you came, right? Gursiva Singh also, correct? Pradeep is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and what about
Yes, sir.
Gursiva Singh? Now, can I start?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you know about now? Is any doubt in public IP address and private IP address, Pradeep?
No, sir. Good.
Now, tell me again, what is the difference between private IP address and public IP address?
The private IP address is like the personal IP address of like personal computers, which can't be accessed by anybody.
It's not like personal. You cannot say personal. Don't use that kind of word. Private means for private communication. It means if you
Yeah,
want
that's
to
what
computer want to
the
connect, and
private
if you
communication
want to
and
computer
public
connect
for
with
like
the,
everybody. Like
with the help of public IPs you can use internet, but with the help of private IPs you cannot use internet. From
yeah,
outside, no one can access private IP address computer. If you see Google.com is a web server, right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I
In web
understood.
server, it's have a public IP address.
Yeah,
That's why you can access google.com, otherwise not. If public IP address is not configured into those computer, then you cannot access from out you cannot access those computer from outside. So if someone want to access computer from outside, you have to assign public IP address to this computer, to those computer. And if some computer want to access internet, it have to configure public IP address only. By using public IP address, they can use internet, otherwise not.
okay.
Okay, one is private IP address. For suppose in a organization, 1,000 computer is there, 100 computer is there, and they want to communicate with each other. They do
Yes,
not want to go outside. They want to communicate with each other. From outside, no one can access those computers, but they want to access each other. That for that kind of scenario, you require private IP address only. You do not require public IP address. You do not
yeah,
need to purchase IP address. You need to purchase IP address when you need internet.
yes.
And anyone can purchase IP address. He need to pay money only. Okay?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Any doubt?
No.
Yeah, Suresh. Pradeep, sorry.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No, sir. I have like a
Nothing?
clear idea about it, but
Yeah.
I'm not getting to phrase the words.
Yeah, that thing you need to improve, because see, to know something is a different thing. Sometimes we know, but sometimes whatever we know, we cannot say, we do not have that kind of word to explain those kind of
Yeah,
things.
yeah, yeah. I
And
got you, sir.
people will not understand, and
Yeah,
then then the confusion will start.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you need to find out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, now can I start, right? Next topic, can I move ahead?
Yes.
Now see, whenever I'm giving IP address, you see with IP address you need to assign subnet mask also. Correct?
Yes.
See, in Wi-Fi, there is a IP address. With IP address you can see subnet mask, correct?
Yes.
In IP version 4, you cannot assign IP address without subnet mask. With IP address you have to assign subnet mask. For class A, Now see how you identify that this IP addresses belong to this class by first octal. First octal means the total length of IP version 4 is 32 bit, and it is divided into 8 bit. It means 1 octal. It means total octal is 4. Correct? 1.1.1.1.1. This is 4 octal, right? 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. The first 8 bit will define that this IP address is belong to which class. If first 8 bit number is from 1 to 126, it means it belong to class A. If the first 8 bit number is from 128 to 191, it means it belongs to class P. If it is a number from 192 to 223, it means it's a class C. Understand, right? That thing I already explained. Do you remember, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Do you remember?
Yes,
Class
sir.
A, class B, class C. Class A range is 1 to 126, class B range is 128 to 191, class C range is 191 to 223, class D range 224 to 239, class E 240 to 255, you can say.
Yes.
This is a range of class, and when I'm talking about this range, I'm talking about the first octal, the first box.
Yes.
Okay, now all IP address have default subnet mask. For class A, the default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. For class B, the default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. For class C, the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now what is subnet mask? By subnet mask, you can identify which by subnet mask you can identify by subnet mask you can identify which bit is a network bit and which bit is a host bit. One means or on mean network bit, or 0 or off means host bit. Now suppose I'm giving IP address 192.168.0.1 where subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now by this subnet mask we can identify which bit is a network bit. 255 means what? If you convert this 255, it means the number will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number will come like this, right? 1. If I convert this subnet mask into binary, the number will come like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? The number will come like this? Yes or no?
Yes.
It means 1 is a network bit and 0 means is a host bit, but it means it is a host address and this is a network address. of which IP address? It means of this IP address. IP address of this IP address, how many bit is a network bit? 24 bit is a network bit. And how many bit is a host bit? 8 bit is a host bit. It means which is the network address? 192.168.0 is a network address. Which is host address? 1 is a host address. Okay. So by subnet mask we can identify which bit is a network bit of IP address and which bit is a host bit of IP address. Here subnet mask is 255.255.255. If you convert this number into binary, you can see how many bit is on. 24 bit is on. It means 24 bit of this IP address is a network bit and last 8 bit is a host address. Now according to rule, same network can communicate without router. Yes or no? Hello? Same network address can communicate with each other without router. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Two different network or more than two different network address require router. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The computer will go to gateway when destination address is not a same network address. If for computer, for source, if network address is a different network address, then it will go to gateway, otherwise not. It means two same network address can communicate without gateway, without router. But two same network can communicate without gateway, without router. But two or more than two different network cannot communicate without router. They require gateway. They require router to communicate with each other. Okay, and how will you identify that they belong to same network or different network? By subnet mask. If network address is same, it means it's belong to same network. Now see, this is the IP address of one computer, 192.168.0.1, and one computer IP address is 192.168.1.2. Sorry. Now tell me the subnet mask. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Why? Because this is a by default subnet mask of class C. This IP address is belong to class C. That's why I have given class C subnet mask. Now tell me, this 192.168.0.1 computer or 192.168.1.2 computer can communicate without router? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. They are in the same network.
Satish, they can communicate?
Yes.
Why?
Because they have the same this one
Because they have same?
IP address. Subnet.
But if they can communicate? One 192.168.0.1 and 192.168.1.2 is they communicate or not? Are they communicate?
Can't.
Satish, yes or no? Pradeep?
No.
No. Why no?
Because the IP address are different.
See, first of all computer need unique IP address. Okay,
Yes.
that is first of all your home address and my home address should be different.
Yes.
Okay, it's not possible that our address be the same.
Yes.
Something should be different, right?
Yes.
And now your to call into your number, I require ISD call. I need to do ISD call, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now because you do not belong to into same network, you are in different network.
Yes.
Okay, but if I want to call Teja, I do not need any STP call or any ISD call. Why? Because ISD Jaya Teja is in the same city where I'm located. It
Okay.
means my network address and Jaya network address mobile number is same. That's why I do not need STD.
Yes.
Here network address is same or different?
It is different.
Same or different?
Different.
Yeah.
Network at
Yeah, yeah. First of all, I'm confused by your name, Gursimar Singh. Your name is Gursimar Singh
no. My name
or
is Amoldeep.
Amoldeep?
Actually, yeah, I was using my husband's computer first 2 days, so it was his name
Okay.
taken care.
So your name is Amoldeep, right?
Amoldeep, yes. Amol, you can just call me Amol.
Amoldeep. Yeah, Amoldeep. Now tell me, is either belong to same network or different network?
Different network.
Which
Pradeep, you are saying same network. Why it is the same network?
Different. Different network.
yeah,
Who said same network?
I said same network.
Satish. It is the same network or different network? Yeah, Pradeep. Why it is a different network?
Because it is like 192.168.0.1. It is like 1.2 at last.
Yeah, Amoldeep. It is the same network or different network?
I think same
The
network.
same network. Yes. Its network is same.
No, the network is different.
Why it is
How
like
we identify network address by subnet mask. If subnet mask is on, it means it is a network address. Here we need to check of IP address. Now for this IP address, how many bit is on?
24?
24 bit is on. It means how many bit I need to check?
First 3.
24 bit check of this IP address. Same thing with this IP address also. How many bit is on in subnet mask? 24 bit. It means how many bit I need to check in IP address?
24.
24 bit. His 24 bit and this IP address 24 bit is
Are
not
different.
same. 192 same, 168 same, but here it is a 0 and here it is a 1.
Okay.
That's why this IP address are different network address.
Okay.
That's why they cannot communicate without gateway. They cannot communicate without router. They require router to communicate with each other.
Sir, I have a question here.
Yeah, please.
The thing is like if two persons in your place, like in the same place, their
Yeah.
network network address will be the same, like 192.168.0.1, or it will be different
No,
network
it
address.
would be different. It would be different. Suppose in my company, two computer is connected. Maybe I assign different network address because I want they cannot communicate directly. To
Okay.
see, there is a department, account departments, marketing department, sales department. I want sales department can communicate with sales department, but sales department cannot communicate directly to marketing department.
Okay.
Whenever they require to communicate, they need to go through router, and in router I will configure some kind of security, and then I can manage.
Okay.
See, and that thing I can do by how? By IP address only. Network engineer means what? You need to deal with IP address because we can divide network with the help of IP address only. If I want account department and marketing department will belong to different network, it means I need to assign to in both departments in a different network address. In one department I will give 192.168.0. something and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. In another department, I will assign IP address 192.168.1. something, where the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It means how many bit is on? 24 bit is on. It means 24 bit of this IP address I need to check. Are they belong to same or not? Here 16 bit is same, but 24 bit is not same. Here it is a 0 and here it is a 1. And I need to check how many bit. Computer will check how many bit? 24 bit. Why? Because subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Understand? I'm giving one more example.
Yes.
Now suppose now I am using IP address 172.16.1.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. One more IP address is there. 172.16.100.100. The subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Now
They are in same network.
they are same network or different network, Satish?
Same network.
Huh?
Same network, sir.
Same network. Pradeep, same network or different network?
Same network.
Same network.
Why it is same network?
Because the subnet mask address is like it is like
Subnet mask is less. No, you can
first
see like
HTTP
this.
on
They are both
Here subnet mask is
same.
Here the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. It means 16 bit is the network address and rest 16 bit is a host address. It means you need to check how many bit? 16 bit. This is number. I'm giving one more example.
same network.
Now we'll communicate these two IP address. One IP address is 10.10.10.10. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. His IP address is 10.20.20.20 and subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Will they communicate?
Yes.
Yes.
Without router? Are they belong to same network or they belong to different network?
Same network.
Same network. Why? Because here subnet mask is 255. It means how many bit is on? 8 bit is on. It means how many bit is a network address? 8 bit is a network address. His 8 bit and his 8 bit is the same. That's why they can communicate without gateway. Understand what is the meaning of what is the use of subnet mask? With the help of subnet mask, computer or device can identify how many bit is the network address and how many bit is a host address of that IP address which you assign to computer. Okay. It doesn't mean that if they have a same subnet mask, so they will communicate with each other, or they have, if they belong to same class, so they will communicate with each other. No. If they have a same network address, then they can communicate without router, otherwise not. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Any doubt in subnet mask? Pradeep?
No, sir.
Amoldeep?
No, sir. It's clear.
Now, can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now, next topic is subnetting. What do you know about subnetting? Do you have any idea about subnetting?
No, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any idea about subnetting?
No, sir.
Amoldeep and Pradeep? Okay. Both of you don't have any idea, right?
Yes, sir.
You can search and just tell me in 2 minutes why we are doing subnetting. What is the use of subnetting?
Sorry.
Yeah. Got it? What is the use of subnetting?
Yeah.
We are doing subnetting to save IP address. Okay, lots of people know that we are doing subnetting to save IP address, but we need to understand how the subnetting will save IP address. By doing subnetting, one network can divide into a multiple network, subnetwork. It means you can divide one network into a multiple network by doing subnetting. It is a reaction, but we are not doing for that. We are doing subnetting to save IP address. Now, how we can save IP address by doing subnetting? Suppose you purchased one IP address 192.168. Suppose you in your organization you had a requirement. There are 4 departments. How many departments?
4 departments.
4 departments. One is marketing department, where you require how many computer? You need how many? You need to attach 50 computer. 50 computer. It means you need how many IP address? You need how many IP address? 50 IP address. For another department, like suppose account department, you require 50 computer. You need to attach 50 computer. One more department is sales. You require 50 computer here also. One more department, HR, and you require here also 50 computers. Now, how many network address now you require?
200.
How many network address do you need? Because I have a 4 department and I want they cannot communicate directly. They can communicate through gateway only. Okay. So tell me how many network address do you require?
4 network addresses and 200 IP addresses.
Correct. We need 4 network address and total number of computer is 200, but in a single network how many computer address you need?
50.
50 only. Now which class IP address is okay for us? Now see, class A subnet mask, by default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. In class B, by default subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Class C, .255.255.255.0. It means what? It means in class A this is network address, class B this is network address, in class C this is network address. It means in 24-bit I can attach host, in class B I can attach in 16-bit host I can attach, and in class C I can attach in 8-bit only. If you convert this decimal into binary, it means the maximum it will go maximum it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, correct? If you convert this number, the number will come to 55, correct? It means in class C you can attach maximum 255 computer, and that is also not possible. Why? Because we need one broadcast address. One broadcast address in every network. So maximum maximum you can attach 254 hosts in a single network by using class C IP address, because here only 8 bit is a host address and rest bit is a network address. It means you cannot attach host in this 24 bit. You can attach only in this 24 bit. So in 8 bit. What about class B? How many hosts you can attach in class B? Pradeep? How many hosts you can attach? In class C, I can attach maximum 2 per power
16.
Yeah, you're talking about class B or class C?
B, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Pradeep, any doubt? Pradeep?
No doubt, sir. I put off my mic, so
Yeah. It means in class C, in a single network, you can attach maximum 254 hosts. In class B, you can attach 255.255 minus 1. Why? Because we need one address for broadcast. In class A, you can attach 255 into 255 into 255 minus 1 for one broadcast address. It means if the network size is big, we should go for class A IP address. If network size is medium, so we should go for class B IP address. If the network size is small, then we should go for class C IP address. Here the network size is big or small?
class A big.
Here it is a big.
Small.
50
It's
is a
small.
It's small.
Only has 50 computers.
Just 200, right?
Okay, only in a one network only 50 computers is there, so it is a small. So we should go for class C IP address, because in a class C we can attach up to 254 hosts, and here the number of hosts is less than 254. That's why we should go for which class IP address?
C.
Class C.
Class A IP address. Okay.
Class C, sir.
How many network address I need?
4.
4.
4. I will take 192.168.0.0 where 255.255.255.0 is a subnet mask. One more network address I will take 192.168. Tell me,
0.1. Or
can I use 0? Can I use 0? Can I use?
Yeah.
No, I need different network address, right?
Yeah.
It is a network address, it is not a host address.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It has to be 1.0.
You can attach host into this bit only. It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this up to 254. Here also both have different network address. Here the network address is 1, here the network address is 0, different.
Yes.
Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. One more network address 192.168.2.0. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. One more network address 192.168.3.0. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It means in this network I can attach how many hosts? In this here I can attach how many hosts?
1.
Here I can attach up to 254 hosts, right? Like 192.168.0.1, then dot 2, then dot 3, then dot 4. I can go maximum
264.
dot 254 because 255 is reserved for broadcast in class C network. Okay, so I can attach how many hosts in this network? 254 hosts. I require how many hosts? In marketing department I need how many hosts?
50.
50. Same thing with here also. I can attach 254 hosts, but I need only 50.
Okay.
Same thing here also. I can attach 254 hosts, but I need only 50.
Yes.
Same in this network also. I can attach 254, but I need only 50. Same in this network also. I can attach 254 hosts, but I need 50 hosts in HR department. It means here in this network, how many IP addresses you are wasting?
So 200,
204.
204.
204. 204 here, same 204 here. Same 204 in this network. It means how many IP addresses you are wasting now?
400, 600, 700.
You are
700.
wasting more than 800 IP addresses, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mhm.
But by doing subnetting, we can save IP address. By doing subnetting, we can save IP address. Now, by subnetting, I will divide this network into 4 subnet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It means this one network will divide into 4 subnetwork. It means I do not require this IP address. It means I do not need to purchase 3 network address. By using only one network address, I will divide into 4 subnetwork. They cannot communicate directly. They will need router to communicate with each other. Different subnetwork. That's why we are doing subnetting. By subnetting, I will divide this one network address into a 4 different network. We can say subnetwork. Okay. That's why we are doing subnetting to save IP address. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand what is the work of subnetting?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt how we can save IP by doing subnetting? By doing subnetting, we can divide one network into sub-network, so we do not require any other network, and by doing that, we can save IP address. Here we need less than 254 hosts only maximum. So we can divide one network into 4 sub-network, and by doing this, we are saving IP address up to 800. Okay, about 800.
Okay.
Now we need to know the rule, how we can do subnetting. Now,
Sir, I have a
now,
question.
yeah, please ask me.
Sir, now we have 50, like 200 computers, right? In a different,
Correct,
different.
yeah. Total number of hosts is 200, correct. We
So
need
if
4
we,
subnet, and in each subnet we need to attach 50 hosts. This is our requirement. Yeah, now tell me.
if we have like more than, let us take 400 computers.
Then you should go for class B network, right?
Class
Class
B
B
network,
subnet.
and then we will be dividing the like we will subnetting, right?
Yeah, in all class we will do subnetting.
Yeah.
Okay, in class A also, class B also, and class C also.
So
We,
depend
we
upon.
can do subnetting in class C whenever we need less than 254 hosts, right?
Okay.
But if the number of hosts are more than 254 hosts, then you cannot go for class C subnetting. You should go for class B subnetting.
Okay.
Here, the total number of hosts is also less than 254. That's why we are doing class C subnetting. If the number of hosts is 500, I cannot attach 500 hosts in a single network in a class C. True?
Okay.
So we do not require class C subnetwork. We do not require class C IP address. We require class B IP address. If the number of hosts is more than 65,000, more than 65,535, then what I will do? I will use class A IP address.
Okay.
In class C, I can attach maximum 254 hosts in a single network. In class B, I can attach up to 65,535. And in class A, it's a billion, some billion is there. Okay. So according to our requirement, we'll do subnetting and we'll use class, we'll use IP address. Now here what is our requirement? Here our requirement is in a single subnet, in a single network, we need to attach 50 hosts. So it is possible in class C IP address, that's why we'll go for class C IP address. Now suppose I purchase one IP address 192.168.0.0. This is a network address, correct? Its subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It means we need to divide this IP address only 192.168.0.0 into 4 subnet. Now there is a formula. We need to understand the formula. The formula is number of subnet. Subnet means subnet 1. The formula is 2 to the power n, where n means on bit, and the number of host formula is number of host. The formula is 2 to the power n minus 2, where in subnet it is a number of on bit. Here the meaning of n is number of off bit. The formula of number of subnet is 2 to the power n, where n is on bits, number of on bit, and number of host means 2 to the power n where n means number of off bit. Understand, here by default how many bit is on and how many bit is off? In by default in class C, how many bit is on? 24 bit is on and 8 bit is off. Correct? By default in class C, how many bit is on? Class 24 bit is on and 8 bit is off. What we'll do in subnetting, we will convert host bit into a network address. I repeat, in subnetting I will convert host bit into a network bit. Here in this IP address, how many bit is a host address?
8.
Here how many bit is host address?
8 bit.
If you convert this number, this subnet mask 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 24 bit is a network bit and 8 bit is a host bit. Now number of subnet 2 to the power n. If and where the n is number of on bit. Okay. So
Yeah.
how many bit I need to on to get 4 subnet? If I on 1 bit 2 to the power 1, the result will come what? The result will come what? 2, 4, 5, 8. What will come? If 2 to the power 1.
2.
Okay, it means it will not fulfill my requirement. 2 to the power 2.
4.
What the result will come? 2 to the power 2.
0 0 0 0 0.
No, you do not understand what I am saying. 2 to the power 1. The result will come what? How many bit? You know the meaning of power, right?
Yeah, we don't get any bit.
Yeah. The number of subnet formula is 2 to the power n, where n is number of on bit. How many bit is on? The number of host formula is 2 to the power n minus 2, where n is number of off bit. Now in subnetting I will convert host bit into a network bit. Now I need to know how many bit I need to convert from host to network bit. I require 4 subnet. It means the formula is 2 to the power n. It means if I convert 1 bit 2 to the power 1, the result will come 2. It means it do not fulfill my requirement. Now I will on 2 bit 2 to the power 2. The result will come 4. It means it fulfill my requirement. So I will on 2 bit of host address 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many bit is on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. Now how many bit is on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a by default subnet mask, and this is a subnet mask when you are doing subnetting. After subnetting, the subnet mask will get changed. Now how many bit is on now? 26 bit. Previously by default how many bit was on? 24 bit. It means for subnet, for to fulfill
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
fulfill
Hello?
this requirement,
Sir, your voice was
I
breaking.
need
We
to
can't hear anything.
on 2
Your
bit
voice is breaking, sir.
of host bit. I converted to bit. It means huh?
Your voice
Hello?
is breaking, sir. Probably in the network problem.
Yeah, now his voice is coming clearly.
Yes, sir.
It's clear
Hello?
now. Yes,
What about now?
Yes, sir.
it's clear.
Now see, number of subnet. The number of subnet formula is 2 to the power n, where n is number of on bit. Where n is number of on bit. Number of host 2 to the power n minus 2, where n is number of off bit. Now first of all I need to know how many subnet I require. I require 4 subnet to fulfill this requirement. I have a marketing department, account department, sales department and HR department. It means number of subnet I need 4. Now if 2 to the power 1, then the result will come 2. If 2 to the power 2, the result will come 4. It means I need to convert 2 host bit into a network bits. That's why I converted 2 host bit into a 2 network bit. And after converting, the subnet mask will become 255.255.255.192. By giving this subnet mask, I am telling to device, now you need to check 26 bit in place of 24 bit. If 26 bit are same, it means it's belong to same network. If 26 bit are not same, it means it belong to different network. By giving this subnet mask, what I'm saying to computer or device, you need to check 26 bit, because now 26 bit is a network address. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now 26 bit is a network address, and 24 bit is a host address. Previously 24 bit was a network address, but now 26 bits are a network address. That's why it need to check how many bit, 26 bit. If 26 bits are common, it means they belong to same network. If 26 bits are not same, it means they belong to different network. Now number of hosts, 2 to the power n minus 2, where n is off bit. Now how many bit is off? 6 bits are off. It means 2 to the power
2 raised to the power 6 minus 2.
6 minus 2. The result will come 62.
62. Mhm.
It means in a single network I can attach 62 hosts and my requirement is 50 hosts. It means by giving this subnet mask I can fulfill my requirement. By converting 2 host bit into a network bit, it will fulfill my requirement. Now I need to check the gap between two subnet. I need to know the gap between two subnet. There is a formula where you need to subtract always you need to subtract from 256. 256 is common only. Which number you need to subtract? The number which came after changing a subnet mask. Now the subnet mask, the numbers came is 192. Now tell me that the number will come what? Which number will come?
64.
It means the gap between two subnet is 64. It means 1. How many subnet we need?
4.
2, 3, and 4. What I need to know? One is start IP address. One is subnet address, One is subnet address. Subnet is network address. One is start IP address, where it will start. One is end IP address. And one is, we need one broadcast address in all subnet. Broadcast address. Now, first subnet IP address is, it will start from 0, 192. Dot 168 dot 0 dot 0. Now what is the start IP address? 192.168.0.0 is common. Dot 1 Dot 1 is a start IP address, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When it will end, the gap between two subnet is 64. It means the second subnet IP address is dot 64. One 192.160.0 is a common. It means dot 63 dot 63 is a broadcast address and 62 is an end IP address. Now 64 plus 64, the number will come 128. It means 128 is a next subnet address, and 127 will become broadcast address, and 126 will become end IP address. Then again 128 plus 64, the number will come 192. I'm talking about last octal only, last box. 191 will become broadcast address for this network, and 190 is an end IP address. For 192 plus 64, what will come? 192 plus 64, the number, tell me the number. One 92 plus 64.
256.
It means we cannot go more than 255. It means we need to end here only. 255 is a broadcast address. And 254 is a host address. Here is a start IP address is 65. Here 129. Here 193. How many hosts I can attach? 60 hosts. I attach how many hosts? 62 hosts. From 65 to 126, how many hosts? 62. From 129 to 90, how many hosts? 62 hosts. From 193 to 254, how many hosts? 62 hosts. It divided into how many subnet? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each subnet I attach how many hosts? 62. Will two subnet or more than two different subnet can communicate with each other? No, they cannot communicate with each other directly. They need router to communicate. It means by using one IP address, one network address, I divided into 4 subnet. And each subnet I attach how many hosts? 62 hosts. By using this formula, by using subnetting.
This is for different bits, right? 8-bit and next 8-bit and next 8-bit and next 8-bit total, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about subnet mask only.
Okay.
No, you're talking about which bit? Where you want to know?
I got a bit confusion. This is like
Yeah.
first first column is for first 8 bits. The second column is like first to like a first
No,
24.
you're talking about this 64?
Yeah, 64.
Yeah, this is last bit. I'm talking about this last bit only. This is subnet mask. I'm talking about this IP address last 192.168.0.0 here, and then 192.168.0.1, then 0.2, then 192.160.0.3, 192.160.0.4. It will go up to what? 192.160.0.62. I'm talking about last octal only, right? Because in a C class you can attach host in a last octal only. You cannot attach host first octal and second octal and third octal in class C.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So here I'm talking about only last octal only. Okay, one more. We'll go for one more example. Now tell me your requirement. How many department you want?
100, 100, 100, 100.
Tell me your requirement. How many department you want?
4.
Again 4.
Oh, okay. You want to take another example?
We'll take three departments.
No, maybe more, so that we can get into a different class. Yeah.
Yeah, Pradeep, tell me how many department you want? How many subnet you want?
6 departments.
6. It means you need 6 subnet, correct? How many hosts you want in a single subnet?
In a single subnet, 1 host.
Huh?
1.
Tell me the requirement. How many hosts you want in a single subnet? See, in organization, it is a requirement, right? I need 6 department. I need 6 network. In each subnet, in each network, I need to attach this many hosts. That is our requirement. Just tell me your requirement. You have a requirement of 6 network, and in each subnet, in each network, how many devices you want to attach? Tell me your requirement, Pradeep.
Host around
100, for example, say.
400, 500.
How many hosts?
400 or 500.
Okay. Try to give host more less than 254, because if I go more than 254, I need to do B class subnetting. I do not want to touch B class subnetting now.
Okay. We'll take to 250 itself.
250. If you need 250 hosts in a single network, it means you do not need to do subnetting. Do you require subnetting if you want to attach 250 hosts in a single network? No, because maximum we can attach 254 hosts in a single network.
What if hosts are 255?
So sorry, what is 254?
No. We can attach 254 hosts in single network, right? If the
Yeah,
if the host is 255.
in class
See.
C. See, if you require 254, you are wasting only 4 hosts, right? 4 IP address only.
Yeah.
So we do not need to do subnetting, right? You already require 250 hosts only, and only 4 host IP address you are not giving to any device. Otherwise, you are consuming more than 95%, right?
Yes.
So why you need to do subnetting? It is not possible to do subnetting in class C if you require 250 hosts in a single subnet. Now tell me again, tell me your requirement. In place of 250, how many hosts you want? Just tell me. I want to know about your confusion. By your question, by your answer, by your requirement, I will identify your confusion. One thing you understand, right? If the number of hosts is, now you know the conversion part. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. These things you know, right?
Yes.
Now, if I need host more than 128, it means I cannot require subnetting in class C, because minimum you need to convert one host bit in a single network. Minimum requirement is 1, correct? One network will convert. Correct?
Yes.
In subnetting, what we are doing? We are converting host bit into a network bit, correct?
Yes.
Now, minimum is what? I converted only one network bit, one host bit into a network bit. Now it is a 1. The result will come what? 128. Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if I need more than 128 hosts or less than 254 hosts in a class C network, we do not need to do subnetting. We cannot do subnetting because at least we need to convert one host bit into a network bit, correct?
Yes.
Now tell me your requirement. In place of 250 hosts, tell me your requirement. Yeah, Amoldeep, you tell me your requirement. How many hosts do you want? Pradeep,
Sir,
how many hosts do you want?
254.
Then why are you doing subnetting? Subnetting is for what? Subnetting is for save IP address. I have done subnetting previously because I required only 50 hosts, and with the help of class C I can assign 254 hosts. It means I was wasting 204 IP address. That's why I have done subnetting. But
Yes.
if I need 254 hosts, it means I'm not wasting any IP address. So why I will do subnetting?
So I got you, sir. Like if we take 150 hosts, so we can at least save the like 100 hosts, right?
Yeah, but at the end you need to convert host bit into a network bit, correct?
Yes.
If at least one bit you need to convert, right?
Yes.
To the power 1, right?
Yes. 2 to the power of 1.
See, then it means how many bit is off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bit is off. Okay, and if you 2 to the power 7, the number will come what? 128?
Yes.
Yes.
What will come? 128?
2 to the power of 7.
Yeah.
2 to the power of 7, it is.
The number of host formula is what? 2 to the power n minus 2, where n is off bit. How many bit is off? 7 bit is off. 2 to the power 7 minus 2. The number will come 126.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
At least you need to on 1 bit at least. It means 7 bit is off. It means maximum you can go for 126 hosts, not more than 126 hosts. If you require host more than 126 and less than 254, you do not need to do subnetting. Again I'm saying, at least minimum I need to convert 1 bit in network address. What is it? What I'm doing in subnetting? In subnetting, host address is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a host, by default host bit. All bit are off. But after subnetting, I will convert number. I will convert host bit into a network bit. Minimum I need to convert at least 1. It's a minimum, right? I cannot go less than 1?
No,
Yes or no, Pradeep?
you can go, sir.
Yeah,
I
we
can go
got
less
you.
than 1 also?
Yes.
How?
How will there be a subnet?
Correct.
One has to be, at least one has to be there.
Correct. At least at the end, I need to convert at least one host bit into a network bit. At least one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. If I not convert any number, then what is this? Nothing. It is.
Yes.
So I converted only one host bit into a network bit. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and rest bit is a host bit. It means what is the formula of number of host? The
2
formula
raised
is
to
2
power
to
n
power
minus 2.
n
Minus.
minus 2, where n is a off bit. Now how many bit is off? 2 to power 7 bit is off. How many bit is off?
2 to the power of 7.
And minus 2. What the result will come? The result will come 126.
Yes.
It means you can go for 126. You cannot go more than 126. If you need host more than 126, you cannot do subnetting. You do not need to do subnetting. It is correct. If you require 127 host, it means you are wasting IP address almost 125 or 124 or 123. This is true. So we should divide network properly. Don't attach in a single network to 127 host, because by to attach 127 hosts in a single network, you are wasting IP address. So attach only 126 hosts. Why you are attaching 127 hosts? You understand, right, Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me your requirement. You understand, right? Why you cannot do subnetting if you require 250 hosts? Why you cannot do subnetting if you require 254 hosts? Because by using 250 and by using 255, you are not wasting. By using 127 hosts, you are wasting IP address. But you don't have any choice, because in subnetting you have to convert host bit into a network bit. And at least you need to convert only one bit at least. If I convert one bit, the result will come 126. It means in a single subnet I can attach maximum 126 host only, not more than 126 hosts. And
Sir, I have a
if I
question.
need more than 126 hosts, so it means I cannot do subnetting in class C network. Understand, Pradeep?
I have a question.
Yeah, please ask me.
So the computers will take the total host computers are 50.
50, okay.
So we have to save some network address right now.
Host address, yeah, IP address.
Like sorry, host IP address.
Hmm.
So what we will do is like in 255 minus 50 is like 204.
Come again, repeat. You need, okay, let me tell you. You need how many hosts? You need how many hosts? 50, correct?
Yes.
In each department. How many subnet?
6. So 6.
6. Now see what will happen.
6 5 is 300 total.
Yeah. Now see what will happen. If you need two subnet, what is the formula? Number of subnet? What is the formula?
To the power of
2 per
2
power
raised to the power n.
n, where n is a on bit. Now 2 to the power 1, the result will come 2. 2 per power 2, the result will come 8. It means it fulfill my requirement. Correct, Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
I need 2-bit conversion, right? It means the result will come 4. Now, it means how many bit you converted? 2. Now, how many bit is off?
6.
5 bits.
No, it's not fulfill my requirement. Sorry. 2 to power 2. How many bit? The result will come 4. What do you want?
6.
So
6.
2 raised
It
to the
means
power 3. 1 more.
3.
Yeah.
It means
8 now.
the result will come
8.
8. Yeah, it fulfill my subnet requirement.
Yeah.
Now, how many bit is off?
5.
5 bits.
5. It means
2 raised to the power 5 minus 2. 32 minus 2, 30. Hello?
Hello.
what happened?
Total 30 hosts.
How many hosts you can attach now?
30.
30.
It means it's not possible to fulfill your requirement by using class C IP address.
Yes.
Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
You can do subnetting according to rule, according to formula. It doesn't mean that whatever you want it will possible. No. When you are dividing, when you are want 6 subnet, you need to on 3 bit, and rest bit is a off bit. It means you can attach maximum 30 computer in each subnet, not more than that.
Sir, I think it's enough for today.
Huh?
I think it is enough for today. We need to
Yeah.
digest this much first.
Anyway, but we are learning. We are going very deeply. It is
Yeah,
very good
it is
for you.
very clear. Whatever
Yeah.
you've told is very clear to me.
Yeah, the whole thing will get clear if you're going deeply. Okay. If you have a more confusion, it means you are learning more. If you do not have a confusion, then it's a problem. Okay. So do practice of subnetting, and we'll see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. Okay.
Thanks.
I will repeat subnetting tomorrow. Subnetting is not finished yet. It started only.
Yes.
It is started only. Okay, and we need to do subnetting. We need to do VLSM. Okay. Just try to understand this rule: number of host and number of subnet.
Okay.
According to this rule, you can divide your network into a subnet. Okay, so try to understand this rule. Okay.
Okay.
For today, it's enough. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Bye.
Is any doubt? Can I go now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Maldeep. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, doubt, but it means you need to do practice by your own at this
Yes,
moment.
sir.
Satish is in mute. Okay, bye.
No,
See you
no, he is
tomorrow.
also meeting, sir.